Roanoke Restoration is a remodeling company. We've been here in Austin, Texas since 1998, so it's 23 years this July. We've completed thousands of projects. The majority of what we do is interior remodel, but we do exterior work as well. So many contractors come into these jobs, and they walk into a room and say, this will be $10,000, and then when it comes time to do the job, they fall short and they don't know where to go, so they've got to rob from Peter to pay Paul. If you have a good estimating app, you know all the upfront costs, and that makes it really easy and takes the stress out of it. I used a spreadsheet for a long time, and it wasn't until I made an error on 2 jobs back to back. It was at that time I thought, I need to get something that will make sure that we don't eliminate a column from adding. So yeah, it was eye-opening. I can create the estimate in about 60 seconds. That's total, and I could probably even get the customer to sign for it if they were standing right next to me. We use it every day, and I created my own cost book, so it makes it really easy. And but more importantly, I think the templates that we use are really helpful. So we have them pre-populate with all of the common items that could possibly go into the space, and then from there we can just easily back them out when we're on the job site. Invoicing is, it's done through ContractorTools. It's pretty seamless, and you just all you have to do is synchronize it with QuickBooks, and everything slides on over and goes right into undeposited funds. So it's just the way we like it.